Yeah, I read a great article on Rare about this, in fact. I'm all for freedom, and particularly for those who are really at a point in time where they don't have much hope, if they've got a terminal illness, if you've got a family member with Lou Gehrig's disease, by golly, it ought to be your right to try things. And included in right to try, but not exactly the same issue, is also, medical marijuana. Should you, if you have a chronic debilitating condition, AIDS, multiple sclerosis, any of these things where often appetite is impaired and weight loss is a real problem, should you not be allowed to use medical marijuana? If you have a child that has intractable seizures, they're not controlled by traditional medicine, should you allow to be used the cannabis oil? More states are coming around to this. It's taken a while, and there are some in Washington, particularly in the elected sphere, that are kind of a couple decades behind the times on this. But I think the public is ready for giving patients more freedom. So we have an FDA bill that actually would reform some of that. It would let us use clinical trials from Europe. It would speed up approval of those things by letting us use those. It would tell the FDA they have to look at it. I want people to make money developing drugs too, because that's how we have such great innovation in our country. But one way we could help people to make money quicker on drugs and then let the marketplace start bringing prices down is to speed up the drug process of approval. It costs over $2 billion to bring a drug to the marketplace, and so all that money and time spent on that is why then the drug company then wants to push their patent longer. And the more the public is outraged by this, the more there's a danger we get the wrong reaction. And the wrong reaction would be price controls, which would kill the drug industry, but also kill the innovation that allows us to produce some of the greatest life-saving drugs in the world.